Hi guys, my name is Ryne from Total Value RV here in Elkhart, Indiana. We are going to take you through a 2019 832 RKBS and show you some cool features on this coach. First of all, we want to start with the front here. You have this automotively bonded windshield, and then we have the one-piece fiberglass front cap, which is really nice. And then we did something different for our rock guard too. It's not that typical metal rock guard. This is a composite plastic, which looks a little nicer, and over time it will keep the shape and color and just look really nice throughout. So going back to the front here, we have your battery box, and that holds 2 batteries. Okay, your 2 LP tanks, standard, and then we have your electric tongue jack in the front here with your Lite. And just like all of them are. Okay, so we are going to come around. One of the nice things that Flagstaff does is they vacuum bond their slide boxes. So when you're shopping around, definitely check that out. Go up to the slide and just kind of bang on it, see if it goes in. That means it's not laminated. Obviously that's a tough structure there. So coming around here, you have a storage bin right here. And then we do use the magnets to hold the door so you don't get conked on the head. But through here, this is nice storage. And then if you want to focus in, cameraman, everything is framed in aluminum here at Flagstaff and Forest River, and that's really nice for the structure. Alright, we have your hot water heater, which is 6-gallon. This is your fresh water fill. This is your outside shower. Right down here, you do have your dump station for your black and gray, and those are your low point drains, and it's hot and cold. Another thing that I do want to point out while we're up front here, cameraman, you can get a good picture or a good zoom in. Those automatic leveling jacks, they are hydraulic and just really good for actually leveling your coach. So coming back around here, I don't want to forget about the frameless windows. The seal is on the interior, not on the exterior, so it's nice. It will look like this for the lifetime of the coach, and you don't have to worry about the seal cracking, fading, etc. So coming back, this is the back of your refrigerator here, in case you need to get to anything there. Okay, so we do have a plug-in for your 50 amp service. And you see how that is sealed completely inside there, which is nice. You don't have any ants or other bugs getting in there. Here's your cable hookup connection. You do have a 300-pound ladder on the back here, and then the roof is fully accessible, so you can walk on the roof and actually sit on there if you'd like to. Here's your other slide, and then we also put slide toppers on most of these all the way around, so that is something that you don't have to spend extra money to get them, because most of the time we do that automatically. So we showed you around the whole coach. We're going to show you this section right here. So as you see, you have an awning here and you have an awning there, and the awning actually comes off of the slide, so you don't lose any of your campsite, which is really nice. So I'm going to show you a little bit here. There's a little storage compartment right here. Okay. And then this is your outside kitchen. You're outside here under this nice big awning. You have your refrigerator. You have your cooktop here. Like so. Okay. It's a nice thing when you're out here camping and you do have that extra ceiling over top of you. I wanted to show you the outside speakers too. They're marine grade, so if it rains, etc., you're going to be able to have them on when it's you have the music and it's raining or storming, whatever the case may be. The thing we want to talk about too is your Torflex axles. Right under here. So that's an independent front, back, and side to side suspension when you're going down the road, so it takes the vibration off your box. So your box is going to last a lot longer because of our suspension and how we have that set up. So that's a really cool selling feature, and it's going to make it ride easier going down the road, towing it, pulling it, whatever the case may be. So we do have the solar on board, and that's right here where this plugs in is your solar panel. We do have a couple different options to go with that. This is your one-touch automatic leveling system like I was talking about earlier. It actually does one-touch automatic level like most motorhomes. Okay, so right here is where our awning starts, and you can see we have an awning shield over the top part so the sun stays off of it. This is a spot to put your TV on the inside if you want to bring that out here, or if you have an extra one, that's fine too. Here is your plugs, and then here is for the TV right there that you would have, and then this thing right here is for a tray that they give you, and then also there is like a couple things that you can get from Forest River to also go on here, but those are additives. The Wi-Fi Ranger is nice to have, so what that's going to do for you is it's going to strengthen your signal. It's not going to actually give you Wi-Fi, but it will strengthen your signal if you're at a campground and you're kind of far away. So you will be able to pull that signal to where it's strong enough so it doesn't kick you off or whatever the case may be. So as we go inside, I want to show you, these are really popular steps, and these are motorized and just very sturdy. So we'll walk up in here. So as you see when you walk in, there's a lot of space. This is one of their new floor plans for Forest River, and as you can see we have seating here, and this goes to a bed, but also you have the theater seats right here, and those they recline, heat, and massage, so that's a nice feature. You do have cup holders. You have 4 cup holders for 2 seats in case you want to have a couple beverages there. Right here is a really nice pantry space, and then we do give you an LED light right here in case you want to see what's in there. We got your residential refrigerator, and then nice thing about Flagstaff and what they do is all hardwood cabinetry inside and out, so it is full hardwood. You have your Suburban flush mount stove top here. And then we do have residential sink, and it's a double sink. Okay, and then you have your king booth dinette right here, which is nice. That will fit 2 regular sized people or 3 kids, 3-4 kids there. So coming to the entertainment side, we do have your TV. TV is going to have some really nice storage behind here. Okay, fireplace, stereo with Bluetooth, and then that's going to have inside outside speakers, so that's really nice thing to have, and that's pretty standard, so that's just one nice thing to add to the package here. Coming around to the back here, cameraman, we do have our Wi-Fi Ranger switch, which you actually have to turn that on to get that power extender. Then we do have, this is new for 2019, so you can run this whole coach with your cell phone. We do have your IRV Technologies app, and it's a QAV also. But one of the things about this thing, you do have to turn the coach on. We don't have batteries or power, but everything is push button, and then you can run the whole coach by your phone again. So that's a really nice feature. You can be on the outside of the coach when you're pulling a slide out to make sure that you're not going to hit a tree or the neighbor. So coming back, we do have tons of storage in this room, full length wardrobe. And then we do have a king size bed, which is a nice turn on a travel trailer. Then you do have some storage over here, cameraman. I know you can't see that, but we have a couple plugs for your USB, and then a CPAP machine if needed. And then we do have some storage above. show you too is the storage under. You have a lot of storage under your bed, and then these drawers are full extension drawers, which makes adds to a lot of nice storage there. Alright guys, we're in the bathroom. Just wanted to show you a couple storage areas in the bathroom too. And then obviously the shower is a really nice size. So that's a nice feature too. I can definitely move around. The toilet is a good spot too. You're not up against a sidewall or etc. You can actually be comfortable when you're going to the restroom. Alright, another thing I wanted to point out too is the 360 siphon. That's a vent that is attached to the black tank, and it just keeps it fresh in here. You're not going to get that smell back, or it's vented 100% the whole time. So, alright guys, you have seen the 832 RKBS. It's 2019 Flagstaff by Forest River, and we appreciate you watching. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call at 574-262-4460. Again, my name is Ryne, and we'd love to show you one of these. My phone number is 574-370-0504, and we thank you for your time. Buy them where they're built, always.